Dictation material has been obtained from newspaper para 18. If we were consider Islamic political projects that have sprung up over the last 20 years, one will notice how they have lacked the thinking and risk management that has been mentioned. Full stop. For example, the Taliban political project, putting aside emotions or affiliations, if it was to be evaluated on the mentioned criteria, did it live up to expectations? Did the Taliban show the diligence, planning, awareness, and strategic calculations when establishing their political project? Did they understood the geopolitical realities at their times? Did they understand how to avert political risk? Did they understand the existential challenges that they would face or have the ability to forecast such challenges? These are important questions that should have been asked by the Taliban in the 990 before taking Kabul in 1996. As once power is taken, finding answers to such questions becomes problematic, as now the focus is towards looking after and managing public affairs. Full stop. Just to answer one of the questions asked, any political project has to think of external security as global actors who have strategic interests are likely to intervene if strategic interests are threatened or challenged. Full stop. If one was to look to the Taliban army, it was minimal to say the least, that would have no resistance power to prevent Afghanistan borders to be penetrated and being overrun. Full stop. A clear case in point was post 9/11 when Afghanistan was overrun without much capacity to avert this by the Taliban. Full stop. A political project requires this high level of seriousness which Islamic political movements. Full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran working as PA in Civil Secretariat, Lahore.